Alright, today we're going to go over the structural elements of drama and how we're going to put this in your journal so you have it as a resource to use when you're working independently. We have the directions here in case you want to read them, the definition of what drama is. This is like a little guide for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut on the dotted lines only. We're only going to cut on the dotted lines. It doesn't have to be perfect. It can be mediocre. That's fine. And then cut on the dotted lines again. You can rip it off if it helps you. And then we're going to cut on the dotted lines a third time, but this time you want to be careful not to cut on the solid line because that's what we need it to stay there. And we're going to fold this one up like so, and then fold it back over. Open up the page in your journal you want to do this, and on the back where it says glue is where you're going to put your glue. And this little clue for you there. Oh, that's a terrible job. There we go. And then you're going to glue the definition of it underneath the flap. Put it on the stage. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to cut out the chairs. And these chairs, they follow a similar pattern to the stage. You're going to cut along the dotted line only. You don't want to cut on the solid line because we need. You'll see why we need that. And this has the 6 elements of drama: acts and scenes, cast of characters, dialogue, plot, stage directions, and setting. Some of those might be familiar to you from reading other types of texts. Some of them might be new to you. And you're just going to cut on the dotted line in between the chairs. And then what you're going to do is on the back of these it says glue, glue. But if you notice, it only says glue at the top of the page. So you're really only going to glue where it says glue. And then you're going to fold it. I like to fold it before. I think it's a little bit easier. But so I'll do that now. Just fold it and then glue it. Put the glue down. You don't need a lot of glue for this. It's pretty light. And then you're going to do the last step, or the second to last step, is you're going to cut it out. You only need half of this. I made a copying mistake. This is the definitions of what each of the stage directions, or each of the elements of poetry are. And these directions, or definitions, will go underneath of the appropriate flap. And this way you'll always have the definitions of what these words mean. The first one, I have cast of characters. So you want to find the cast of characters flap and glue it underneath. Then we have setting, I think. And you want to glue the setting underneath the setting. Dialogue. You guessed it. Dialogue. Acts and scenes. Underneath acts and scenes. And the last two I have are plot and something else. I have plot, and then I have stage directions. And this is what you'll be doing this afternoon. We'll watch this and use it to help you complete the assignment. Thanks.